Hey everybody,
Everybody,
welcome
welcome
to Everything
to
Android.
Johnny.
Bah! What's going on, guys? Josh here with Everything Android. Now, if you haven't heard yet, yes, the rumors are true. The Galaxy S8 has no headphone jack. Wah, 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 wah. Now, some of you might like this. I personally don't. I am a fan of using regular headphones, and they're always just cheaper to buy in case the ones you have break or something goes wrong. They're always going to be cheaper than wireless headphones. And yes, this rumor has been confirmed. It has been confirmed by Sam Mobile that it is not going to feature a headphone jack. Now, hopefully this isn't just an attempt to try and copy Apple with the move they made. Hopefully they got something up their sleeve as to why they did this. Maybe a bigger battery. Who knows? I guess we're just gonna have to wait and see. I'm still excited for this phone, but we will just wait and see when the time comes. So let me know your thoughts down below. I'd like to know how you guys feel about this. You know how I feel, but please leave your comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to keep up with more news on this and other devices, and to keep up with my channel. I will see you guys on the next one. Josh out.